Not of rain, but we're still going to be dealing with some rain tomorrow. Still
Okay.
kind of tied in with Cindy a little bit, and then for the weekend, kind of more back to reality.
Back
Your
to normal.
afternoon, scattered
We're ready
thunderstorms
for it, Dave.
developing, heat and humidity out there as well. But yeah, just stay weather aware again for the day today. Still going to be dealing with more in the way of some those showers and thunderstorms with some heavy downpours, gusty winds as Duke was talking about, still out there too, and some coastal flooding concerns. Now, Cindy moved inland earlier this morning, not too far away from Cameron, Louisiana, over toward Sabine Pass, and as it does, you can see the rain kind of still spiraling around it here as it works its way farther to the north up near the Shreveport area. And this is where some of the heaviest rain will be for the day today. But these outer bands kind of working their way through Baton Rouge. Another big one here kind of streaming up from near the Biloxi area all the way towards Jackson. See how that one's not moving much? I mean, east or west, just kind of going from south to north. That means that it can have some heavy rain from that for sure. While winds are at 40 miles per hour as it works its way inland, it's going to lose its tropical characteristics today and eventually get absorbed into a cold front as we go on into tomorrow. But still can see some bands of rain kind of feeding over into it from down here all the way up there as we head into your Friday. So for today's local impact, still an additional 1 to 3 inches of rain if you're underneath one of those rain bands. So keep that in mind. Some of you may not see any rain today, but we still have a flash flood watch because of that. Storm tide levels still high, 1 to 3 feet. Water's going to slowly go down. There's not a northerly wind to push the water out, so gravity kind of has to gradually take the rain or water out, and wind's still kind of breezy out there for the day today as well. There is a coastal flood advisory until 4 p.m. on Friday now for those tides 1 to 3 feet above normal. So the coastal areas and the Lake Pontchartrain area still going to see those higher water levels for the next few days. Tropical storm warnings only here from roughly Morgan City back into parts of the Texas area, no longer for southeast Louisiana, which is some good news. But we still have a severe weather threat today, a slight risk for tornadoes. Tropical tornadoes still possible. The threat gradually working its way northward, but still includes us here in New Orleans today. So again, be sure to stay weather aware. We do have a tornado watch in effect till 1 o'clock this afternoon for all of southeast Louisiana and South Mississippi. So again, we have to keep an eye on those storms as they move inland. So Cindy moving on in, but that rain continues to spiral through here. Again, you can see here again circulation kind of working its way toward Abuna to Jasper, Texas. Another circulation looks like it's not too far away from Cameron at this point. So trying to figure out which one's which here of the actual center. It's kind of bouncing. It's very disorganized, but nonetheless, though, we'll continue watching this move on onshore this morning. Up near Baton Rouge, some rain, a couple showers near the Houma area. Again, here's the heaviest rain already. Flash flood warning in effect because of this. So if you get underneath one of these bands today, which is possible some of us could, that's an incredible amount of rain you'll see. And notice it's not going to stop anytime soon either. So they're going to have some flooding issues out there in the Mississippi coastal areas. No rain here. Some showers near LaPlace area back toward Letcher, Thibodeau area. Des Allemands, a little bit some rain as well too near Houma. And into one of these will produce a quick little downpour as well too. That drier air is still kind of working its way on the eastern side of this. So that's why we're not seeing the widespread rain tied in with this. But that deep tropical moisture still resides over top of our area. And that's going to allow for any one of these storms to produce some heavy rain. You'll see with precision cast still again, there's bands of rain, a lot of it here mainly off to our east as we go forward throughout the day today, this afternoon. Again, any scattered showers and storms could produce some heavy downpours today. More rain continues through 4 o'clock this afternoon and going on into 10 o'clock tonight, heading on into tomorrow morning. Fairly quiet start to tomorrow. More scattered storms again, still kind of tied in with Cindy on our Friday, and some of these storms again still could produce some heavy downpours. Gradually, we'll see the rain kind of tapering off Friday and into Saturday morning and Saturday afternoon. More scattered variety of rain coming on in, more typical heating of the day stuff. Rain totals between now and Friday night still could be around 1 to 3 inches of rain, so we still have that flash flood watch in effect. Goes until this evening, as we can see that 1 to 3 inches of rain totals, so something definitely we're keeping an eye on for us today. Right now it's 80 degrees out there, very muggy. The dew point of 76, winds out of the south-southeast at 18, gusting to 25, and the wind gusts will still be breezy today, around 30 miles per hour or so. So as you go about the day, grab your umbrella. Morning commute looking fine. This afternoon drive home, we'll see some rain out there. High today, 86 degrees, 88 on Friday, Saturday, Sunday, about a 50% chance for rain, and then maybe some drier, less humid air next week as a front moves through on Monday.
We'll take a look at